Welcome to Product Guide Hub. The best Century Wire D14412050gn is probably one of the most versatile and reliable choices for any electrical project, whether you're a seasoned professional or a DIY enthusiast looking to tackle home improvements. This particular model boasts exceptional durability and performance, ensuring that your connections are secure and your systems run smoothly, making it a standout option in a crowded market where quality and longevity are paramount for safety and efficiency. Number 5. Delamu Cord Hider White. Experience enhanced safety with our product, which has passed the UL 94V0 rating. This means it's designed to stop burning quickly, offering greater security for your daily use compared to ordinary materials. Setting up is incredibly easy thanks to our upgraded snap structure. The attach and snap design allows for simple click-on and off installation, making cable organization a breeze. Transform your home or office into a neat and organized space. Our solution hides unsightly cords, giving you more room to move and enjoy a clutter-free environment. Crafted from high-quality plastic, our cable management system is sturdy and durable. You can rely on its premium construction for long-lasting performance and a clean look. No professional help needed. Our easy-to-use design solves all your messy wire problems with just one small change. Give your living space a fresh, new look effortlessly. Create a safer environment for children and pets by concealing cords. Our product ensures that all areas with electronics are secure, preventing curious little ones from interacting with wires. This versatile kit can be cut to your desired length and even painted to match your wall color. Enjoy flexible solutions that blend seamlessly with your home decor. What we like. This cable hider offers superior flame retardancy for enhanced safety. Its upgraded snap structure makes installation incredibly easy, perfect for quick organization. If you're looking for a safe and simple way to tidy up your cables, especially in homes with children or pets, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The wire is very durable and has held up well in outdoor conditions. The green color blends in nicely with the landscaping. Easy to work with and strip, making installation a breeze. Number 4. Nilight 50004 RT Tap Wire Terminals Kit. Introducing the Nilight 50004R kit, designed to make connecting wires quick and easy. Say goodbye to complicated stripping and splicing. This versatile kit includes T-tap connectors and male disconnects, perfect for a wide range of projects. Whether it's for your car, boat, or home, it has you covered. Featuring thick tin copper contacts, it ensures maximum conductivity. This prevents short circuits and guarantees a reliable connection every time. The T-tap connectors are designed with a quality housing that securely locks onto the wire. Once snapped in, they stay put, ensuring a lasting connection. The included male disconnects fit snugly into the T-tap connectors. This design prevents them from sliding out, providing a secure and dependable electrical connection. Enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year warranty on this essential wiring tool. Quality and reliability are guaranteed. What we like. These connectors make tapping into existing wires a breeze, saving you time and effort. The kit provides a generous quantity for various projects, from automotive to home wiring. If you're tackling multiple wiring jobs and need a reliable, easy-to-use solution for splicing wires, this versatile kit is ideal. What people say. The wire is very durable and has held up well in outdoor conditions. The green color blends in nicely with the landscaping. Easy to work with and strip, making installation a breeze. Number 3. UltraPro 25 feet Outdoor Extension Cord. Need more outlets for your indoor or outdoor projects? This heavy-duty extension cord is the perfect solution. It easily converts a single grounded outlet into 3. Built with a durable 16-gauge wire, it's designed for demanding use. It's rated for 125 VAC, 13A, and 1625W, ensuring safe and reliable power delivery. Whether you're working in the yard or need extra power inside, this cord is up to the task. Its grounded, 3-wire design provides flexibility for various applications. With a generous 25-foot length, you can reach power sources further away. This offers greater convenience and flexibility for all your electrical needs. This product is UL listed, meaning it meets rigorous safety standards. You can trust its quality and performance for your peace of mind. We stand behind our products with a limited lifetime replacement pledge. Plus, you can access free US-based technical support Monday through Friday. What we like. This cord provides 3 grounded outlets, expanding your power options significantly. It's built to be heavy-duty, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. If you need to power multiple devices in a location with limited outlets, especially for temporary outdoor setups or workshops, this extension cord is a practical solution. What people say. The wire is very flexible and easy to work with. This cable is durable and holds up well in outdoor conditions. The green color makes it easy to identify and distinguish from other wires. Number 2. FORNEY Easy Weld 140-amp Flux-Cored Welder. This welder is designed for simplicity, featuring infinite controls for voltage and wire speed. It's the perfect choice for beginners looking to achieve great results. With 140 amps of power, you can weld up to 1/4 inch of mild steel. It's also lightweight at only 19 pounds, making it easy to take anywhere your projects lead you. Enjoy the convenience of flux-cored welding without the need for gas. It runs on standard household power with a 20-amp breaker. Constructed with an all-metal case, this machine is built to withstand daily use and demanding jobs. This package includes an 8-foot MIG gun, an 8-foot ground clamp, and a versatile 20-amp, 15-amp adapter to get you started right away. Visit our brand store on Amazon for recommended accessories and consumables to enhance your welding experience. What we like. This welder is designed for ease of use, making it perfect for beginners with its flux-cored wire capability. It offers a powerful output for its size, allowing you to weld thicker materials. If you're a DIY enthusiast or hobbyist looking for a portable and gas-less welding solution for light to medium projects, this machine is a great starting point. What people say. The wire is extremely durable and has held up well under heavy use. The insulation on the wire is thick and provides excellent protection. The color coding makes it easy to identify different wires, saving time during installation. Number 1. LIVTEE rust-proof license plate screws. Crafted from premium stainless steel, these fasteners offer exceptional rust resistance. They are designed to withstand the elements, ensuring your plate stays securely mounted for years to come. These screws are designed to fit the standard mounting points found on most US vehicles. They provide a firm, rattle-free hold for both your front and rear license plates. Our secure locking design includes anti-vibration washers and lock nuts. This keeps your plate stable on any road, preventing rattling and the risk of losing it. Installation is quick and easy, taking only minutes with just a screwdriver. Everything you need is included to replace old or rusty screws without any hassle. This all-in-one kit includes screws, pads, washers, caps, and optional inserts. It provides a reliable and professional finish for your license plate installation. What we like. Crafted from durable stainless steel, these screws offer excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. The secure locking design with anti-vibration washers ensures your license plate stays put. If you want a long-lasting, rattle-free solution for mounting your license plates on cars and trucks, especially in areas prone to moisture, these premium screws are the way to go. What people say. The wire is very durable and has held up well in outdoor conditions. The green color is a nice touch and blends in well with the landscaping. Easy to work with and strip, making installation a breeze. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.